Hey guys, so it's Alyssa's Craft again, and so I have a special guest, my friend Alessandra, and so she's going to be playing as my little sister in my, what is it called again? Oh, Slime / Squishy Scammer, and so let's go.
This hairdo that I had to pull off, it's like it was supposed to be 2 pigtails, but then I tied them up, so it hurts. So.
Okay, so let's get on with the video.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so, wait. Oh my gosh, I got an order, guys. Okay, let's read the order.
I didn't even do my hair today.
Good job, sis. I need you to leave. Okay, so she wants fall slime, $20. That's $20. Gold shine, which is $6. Crystal slime, which is $6. Gel slime, which is $5. Jumbo panda bun, $16. Slime squishy. Wait, what? Smile squishy. Sorry, guys. $5. Can you stop playing with my slime, sis?
Okay.
I Bloom strawberry, $100. 2 extras. Actually, wait. No, that's 3 extras. Scratch that off. Okay, that's that's actually $1.20. $1.20. I mean $1.25. What am I saying? Wait, 1 second, guys. Yeah, that's $1. Jumbo Floam slime, which is $60. Strawberry cream slime, $10. Jumbo watermelon squishy, which is $50. Rare basketball, which is $100 because it's super rare, like super rare. Sky blue butter, $20. And so yeah, and the total is $400. Wow, I'm making $400. Isn't that crazy, sis?
Yeah. Can you split it with me?
No.
Why?
No.
Why 200?
Oh, P.S. Sis,
Can you get 300?
Sis, what does this say?
Rare basketball.
Yeah, and what does this say?
$1.
Does this say 3?
Yes.
Okay, so you know that well. Okay, so I'm going to give her the slimes. Sis, can you get my backpack in there because I don't have anything to ship it in?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to get the fall slime first. I mean, this is my fall slime, and it's really kind of hard. I mean, it doesn't stretch well.
There you go.
It doesn't stretch very well. I mean, it's kind of good. Not that good. I mean, just send it in this giant container. I don't care what she's playing with my slime. So
Between Betty.
put that in there. Oh yeah, Dear Surprise Time. That's her name. Here is what you ordered. Blah blah blah. Total $400. Love,
video?
I won't scam you.
Why does she watch this video?
That's fine. I mean, she ordered a sky blue butter. I ate 2, so here's my second one, and it rips. It rips easily. The first time you stretch it, it stretches really good, but then it's just really hard. So send her that. Definitely. No, this is the bad one.
Oh, then get one of that.
Yeah, I know.
But I like that container, so you better take it back.
Yeah, I'm gonna make her send it back. Okay, so
Send back all the containers.
next the jumbo foam. This is my jumbo foam.
And it's really
Oh my god, it smells so bad, right?
Oh, put it away. No. It smells like Grandpa's feet.
Ew, that's gross, sissy. Don't like Grandpa's hands. I'll edit that out. Okay.
But Grandpa doesn't know how to use a phone.
Oh yeah, that's true. He's Italian.
Italiano.
He doesn't.
He has a flip phone anyway, though.
Yeah. So I'm gonna send her this. That's fine.
Oh no!
Oh,
Veggie, the green veggie got my hand.
That's
Put
good
too
for
much
you.
dye.
She wanted 3 extras. I mean, this is a good extra.
What?
Good extra. Purple chocolate.
Oh no, that one isn't
I
good.
know, exactly. Oh my god, is this actually gonna be good?
You're making $400 off of her. Can you get 300 and I can get 100?
Maybe.
You're a good sister. Wait,
Sis,
send her this one.
This
This
is
one
actually
is stretchy.
bad. So I'm gonna send her this for the extra.
Yeah,
Isn't stretch.
don't tell her to bring the container back because I like it.
Yeah, I like this container too.
Cake batter I like.
Yes, I know. So I'm gonna send her this pig's
It smells like a
sand
fruit.
butter. Oh, Sandra, pink
Smells like a fruit.
I'm gonna send her this also for an extra. I think.
What
Oh
is it?
wait, this is gonna be for her crystal slime.
What is it?
Ocean Breeze. It's really sticky.
Oh yeah, I tried to play with that. It got all over my hands.
Yeah. So send her that in a little pocket. Huh?
I want a big camera.
Come on.
You're too big. You're getting up on space.
Okay, bye. This gel slime she ordered, it looks really good on the thing because I'm doing this. But it's actually really bad. She said she likes to stretch it kind of fast. And so that's not going to work out for her. It pokes well though, so she's a little lucky. Right, sis?
Yes.
Just a little.
Oh, don't send her this one. I like this.
Oh, no, I'm not. She ordered that, I think. No, did she?
Yes,
I don't
she
know.
did.
She ordered the gold shine, but I like that too much.
And
So I'm gonna just send her this hard gold one.
yeah, and I used that to take off the sticky slime.
Yeah. So yeah, give her that. Just throw that in there. Oh my gosh, I can't even fit everything in here because she ordered so much slime and squishies. Oh my god. Just to be nice, I'm gonna send her an extra. Isn't that really nice of me?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Because I never send extras without them paying. So their extras gonna be these magazines. Right, sis?
Yeah.
Magazines we don't even use. So send those.
But I colored in those.
Oh, it's even better.
I like scribble.
Great.
I can't.
So an extra is unicorn, I guess.
No. I like that.
Bye-bye, unicorn.
No.
Remember you had that other one? You said you didn't like this one.
Oh yeah.
You,
I thought it was my nice one.
yeah, it's not.
I thought it was my
She
galaxy
ordered.
one.
Oh no, she did order strawberry cream. I mean, I'm gonna just replace it with this wet dragon fruit slime.
Oh no, I
She
don't
did
like
that.
that one. Get it away. Get it away. No. No, stop it.
Okay, so replace it with the dragon fruit.
The only thing I know how to do is talk
Jumbo?
and play with slime. And
I Bloom strawberry, the jumbo one.
No,
$100.
don't do
I
that.
don't have that. So
No, you have it. It's just you don't want to give it to her.
yeah, I don't. Remember, I have the medium one, not the jumbo one.
No, I have it in my room.
You do?
Yeah,
Yes.
I have it in my
You have
crib.
slime under your eye.
I have it in my crib.
This is just a mini one, a mini chocolate covered strawberry.
Wait,
See,
can I-
isn't it jumbo? It fits my whole screen, right?
Yeah.
And I'm giving her this little chain. I mean, that's really nice.
Yeah.
And it's super wrinkly, so like that's really good.
That's a bonus.
Yeah, like duh. Even though she said she hates wrinkles, I mean, bonus. And it's not defected at all, right?
Yeah.
Oh, can you get that?
No. Fine. I'm really close to the ground.
That smile squishy.
Oh, I
I don't
like it.
have that. I don't have a smile
Oh,
squishy.
this is really wrinkly. Get it away.
I don't have a smiley squishy, so I'm just gonna give her that popper. What else did she order? Oh yeah, that other. Isn't that other the other
This one.
extra?
This one.
She ordered
She
this
ordered
other
this one.
extra, so I'm
She
gonna
ordered
give
this
her
one
that.
too.
Oh yes, this panda bun. It has an owl. It's not defected, right?
Yeah.
No face X. A rare basketball squishy, $100.
Yeah, and the reel's supposed to be jumbo, so.
Gonna give her
Like,
this watermelon
it's
that I put slime on, and I totally
It's
ruined it.
supposed to be like bigger than this, the
Yeah.
rear basketball, but
Yeah, I want to give that to her.
fine. It's supposed to be like a huge red loaf.
Isn't that
but-
all of it?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the watermelon's supposed to be jumbo.
So let's go send it. Okay. So come on. Come on. Okay, so
Can I go send it?
Yeah,
I'm gonna go give it to mommy.
Yeah, go give
So
it
she
to
can
mom.
mail it.
Yeah. She's gonna mail that, and so, I mean, here's my cake batter. I mean, not cake batter, strawberry. Nothing. We're playing. Strawberry cream. Sorry guys, that was my phone. Strawberry cream, and here's my cake batter one. It's really nice and soft. So yeah. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you another slime. Sis, aren't these slimes like really good?
Yeah.
Isn't it good that I sell bad slimes?
Yeah,
I make so
told
much
me to
money.
take the hair out, like the bands out, so
Okay.
I need to take them out.
She's gonna redo your hair?
No, she didn't like it like this, so.
Okay, that makes sense. Bye guys. I'll be back. Oh, wait. Put this in the bag, sis. I'll put this in the bag.
Okay.
Mom didn't just ship it yet, so gotta put this in the bag, you know? You can't forget that.
Oh no, you're giving her this?
No, remember that's the bag smurf? She got destroyed.
What is this?
That's from Barbie. And hopefully she gives them a little peek first, so yeah, that's when it gets sent. And okay, so bye guys.
Hi guys, so I'm so excited because I got a slime slash squishy package or squishy slash slime package. I am super excited.
Hey, Sissy, can I be in your video too? I love you so much.
Okay.
Yay! Hi guys. Sissy, look. Mommy, here. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Thank you. Whee! Oh no, ow. I'm okay.
So,
Can I sit down on you?
no.
Can I be like this?
Yes, just go over there more. Sit on the beanbag. You
Oh,
can be
yeah.
talking. No, it's over there. It's over there.
No, I
you
wanna
can be
sit
talking.
here.
No, I need to sit there. I need to sit here. My legs need to be there.
No, remember you put your legs here?
Oh, yeah. So the first thing that I open the bag.
Wait, no, you have to show them first.
Okay.
And you have to get your invoice. Invoice?
The what?
Invoice, right?
What's that?
Remember? I'll be back, guys.
So when I first open it, I see like these defected squishies and ripped up squishies.
Don't you have to read your invoice?
Wait a second.
Sissy, that's the fourth thing you do. Yeah.
I know, I'm just showing them the inside. Okay. So this is
Hey guys, I'm her bigger sister.
this is the paper.
You're totally just got scammed, and you paid $400.
Shut up. Alright. So what it says is, dear surprise time, here is what you ordered. Golden Shine $6. Fall
You don't have to
8
read the
ounces.
money. I mean,
Fall 8 ounces $20. Crystal
You're really
Slime
close to the camera.
$6. What are you doing? What are you doing?
you're really close to the camera, though.
Okay. Gel $5.
You got scammed.
Stop. Eye Bloom
Sorry.
Strawberry $100.
That's a lot of money.
Strawberry Cream $10.
Hey guys, so
Sky
I'm her
Blue
me-
Butter
so,
$20.
I'm her sister, but we're the same age. We're twins, right?
Yes.
We're twins.
We're just fraternal twins, so.
Yeah.
Sky Blue
Wait,
Butter $20.
Wait, didn't we buy these together?
What?
We bought
Yes.
this together. We bought this together.
I won't love I won't
Wait.
scam you.
That's a weird name, don't you think? Now I regret buying from her.
Rare Basketball. So I already saw when I opened it that this is the Rare Basketball.
I don't think this is the rare one. I think. Oh my god, this has a huge defect in it. Can you guys see that?
I want to
Focus.
see it. I can't see it.
It has a giant defect.
Not as bad as like these ones.
Oh my god.
Look at these ones. It's ripped apart.
Oh my god, is this like an extra? I mean, I think this is an extra.
Oh
No, this is probably an extra.
no. No.
Yeah, it is. Remember, I think
I blew strawberry.
No, she told us this isn't a strawberry. It's a chocolate dip. She said she'll put it at the bottom or in a different package.
She said at the bottom, so.
This is really nice, though. Thank you for this extra, girl. This is a really good extra.
Mm-hmm.
If it is one.
Can you move?
We're twins. We bought this together.
Watermelon, $50.
Here, let me try to find the water. Oh my god. It was supposed to be jumbo, and it has a huge.
Oh, jumbo watermelon.
It has a huge defect right there.
Can I just
and it
read
looks
the
like
rest?
she put slime on here, I think. See? It's terrible.
Can I just read the rest? Jumbo Flume, $60.
That's the last thing, right?
Three
Three
extras, $1.
$1.
Slime Squishy, $5.
Oh, Smile Squishy.
Oh, Smile.
And that's the last thing, right?
$5. No. Jumbo Panda Bun, $16.
$60.
Oh,
No, wait. Oh, no, that's
16,
I
yeah.
was reading the wrong thing. sorry,
And
guys.
the total was $400.
Yeah. So is this a jumbo watermelon?
Yep.
That's not even jumbo. It's not even silver.
Oh my god. All right, so the first thing I pull out is a Smile.
A popper?
A popper.
Is this an extra? I mean, she said a smile, no tongue. So she said there was no tongue. So
Smile Squishy.
yeah,
That
but
must
this
be
is
it.
no. But this doesn't. She said it didn't have the
All right,
tongue sticking out, so
so
that's probably an extra.
The next thing.
Oh my god!
Stop.
Is that a jump? We have to do it together.
The next thing I pull out is this.
Our jumbo slime. Let's smell it. She said it was.
Oh, I already smell it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That smells terrible.
What is? All right, can I?
Oh, it's so sticky too. Look
Can
at
I-
it. It's super sticky. We're definitely activating this.
Oh my goodness!
And we're adding like scenting.
It smells like an old man's foot.
It smells like pa's foot. Pa is our grandfather.
Yeah. It's kind of actually fun to play with, but
Yeah. Oh my god.
It
Oh, put it
smells.
away. Put it
Put it
away.
away.
It smells so bad.
all right.
Oh my god. It
And
smells
then
like girl.
the next.
We also get Pepsi.
The next.
And no, this is not inspired. I mean,
The next thing I
Featured
pull out is Sky Blue.
butter. Oh my god, I love that one.
Me too. All right.
It looks really
Oh,
nice.
it's nice. It smells really good, and then.
Oh my god, it's super
Ooh.
stretchy. Let's see.
Yeah. All right.
What the heck? It's pokes well. Doesn't even
Okay.
spread.
Okay. So
He just.
I kind of stretched it, but.
That's really.
Ow! It's in my hair.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Alessandra. Oh, I got it all out. I got it all out.
Are you sure?
Oh, now your hair is in my slime. Yeah, I promise. I got it all out. I don't see any. I'm not pranking you. I actually did not mean to do that.
Okay.
And I'm super sorry.
Okay. Let's back to the video. So this is like.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. So it smells like soap. It smells like. Oh look! If you stretch it slow, it stretches.
Yeah, but like we like to stretch it like
Fast. We like to stretch it fast, like
not really really fast, but like this.
so.
Yeah, let's put that away.
And
That's
the
terrible. We're definitely
next-
contacting her about this.
The next thing is
Dragon
fruit. We
That's
never.
supposed to be- It's so wet. It doesn't even stretch.
Can I feel it?
Is this our?
Is this an extra?
I think that might be an extra. We never
No,
ordered that.
no, it's
No,
not an
yeah,
extra.
that's definitely an extra. We never ordered that. It's probably an extra. Does it smell good?
No.
Wait,
It
let me
smells like
smell.
a detergent. All right.
It smells.
The next thing.
Can I pull something out?
Oh, it's probably a fall. It's probably the fall slime.
Yeah.
You keep on playing with it before me.
Sorry. This is so hard, sis. Look.
I don't care.
Look.
Ooh,
oh my
gel.
god. Oh my god. Yes.
No, I'm gonna play with it first.
I know. But we've been waiting for this one. We've been waiting for this package for weeks. It doesn't even stretch.
All right, let's see if I stretch it slow. It
Like
stretch.
super slow. Wow.
Okay,
I hate
all right.
stretching it like that.
All right, let me see if it pokes. Let me just.
Yeah, posts. Like,
Oh.
I'm gonna pull the next thing out of the bag.
Okay, it really doesn't stretch, even if you like kind of stretch it slow.
Oh, this is such a cute extra.
Oh, it is.
Wait, I think I have the thing. Oh my god, it's Flona, I think.
Flona.
Oh my god, she is so cute.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this extra. It's so cute. And her hair looks like she has cotton candy. This actually works. Like, she has flowers. She's
Alright.
so cute. And her tail and her wings.
So the next thing that I pull out is Ocean Breeze. Ooh.
That must be an extra.
Yes.
Wait. That kind of looks like. Is that our crystal one?
No, it
No,
says
probably
like-
not.
It
Yeah,
says
probably
Ocean
not.
Breeze.
Yeah, let me get this up. Magazines? This is definitely an extra. Wow.
And we didn't have to pay for it.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Do you want to know why? Mom was looking for these. Mom tried to buy these, but she couldn't find any. Okay, next thing.
Oh, I really like this one.
Is this our, what the heck?
We need to activate this. Hurry.
Oh my god, this is so bad. Sis, what are you doing? You got it everywhere.
No, it was fine just a second ago, right?
Yeah.
I'm talking to the camera. It was fine just a second ago. Take it off, take it off. You need to activate that.
Yeah, I will. And we know, guys, we don't use borax.
No.
We sell slime.
So we either use here, you can do this one. So
Gold? I thought we were gold shine. Oh my god. Is this our gold shine? It's so hard.
okay.
This is our gold shine, sis.
This is pink sand.
We
did not order it, but it's still nice.
This is not our panda bun, is it? This is super defected.
and it has an owl, not a panda. And it's not even jumbo.
It's super defected there and here. It's defected here and here. And it's super dirty.
This is a
Really
good
soft,
slime.
though.
This is a good slime. Like,
Wait. This is fishy. There's nothing else in here. Oh my god. Did we get scammed? Is this our
that's what I told you.
Is this our strawberry?
That's what I told you. I've been telling you.
Don't tell me, wait. Is this our strawberry cream slime?
No, this has to be
no.
a strawberry cream. No, this is pink sand.
What the heck?
I didn't even feel this one. Ugh! Camera.
This is our rare basketball. And it was supposed to be jumbo, she said.
Alright, I have to give like a thumbs up to the fall slime because I like the sequence.
Yeah, but it's really bad. We got scammed.
And we're contacting her.
Yes. Is this our crystal slime? Oh my god, I'm freaking out right now.
Oh, what's this?
Oh no, that's one of that. I made that yesterday.
Oh.
It came out bad. Remember, it came out bad. Oh, it's actually pretty good though. I made that yesterday, so yeah. What else did we order? This is our panda bun.
Why is it in my room then?
Crystal slime.
Oh, because I keep all my slimes in here. Like all of the slimes that my
Yeah.
family makes. Even my
Oh
mom
my god,
makes some.
our smile squishy.
That's what I'm telling you.
We totally got scammed.
You never want to listen to me, so. And she was the one who made all
and
these
she said this was 8 ounces.
She was the one who made like half of these purchases.
No, I didn't. You made.
No.
I made half and you made half.
Yeah, that's why I said half.
Yeah.
half and half. This is a really good slime, sis.
Well,
so-
you did pick which shop to pick from, and you picked this one.
Why does it have purple in it?
Purple chocolate.
Oh.
Peace, guys. This is just a skit.